When it comes to car insurance, two giants stand out, Progressive and USAA. But which one truly has your back? On one side, Progressive, famous for flexibility and discounts. On the other, USAA, the trusted choice for military members and their families. Let's put the commercials aside and dive into what really matters. We'll score each on key categories so you know exactly how they stack up. And the winner might just surprise you. Okay, here's what we're going to look at: price, customer service, policy flexibility, digital experience, and eligibility. All super important things when you're comparing insurance, right? Let's start at the top with price. Progressive first. If you're hunting for the best bang for your buck, honestly, Progressive is usually the winner for most people. Their rates? Super competitive, plus they throw in this name your price tool, so you get to kinda build your own insurance plan, which is actually pretty cool. But just a heads up, discounts can change a bit depending on where you live. Now, USAA does have some awesome deals if you qualify: military discounts and consistently competitive pricing. The catch: not everyone can join. So on price alone, Progressive is just more flexible for most of us. Progressive takes the win here. Let's talk customer service. With Progressive, you get 24/7 support and some powerful online tools, but their satisfaction ratings hover just kind of average, nothing to write home about. USAA, though, is like the gold standard for happy customers. Top of the charts for claims, super high ratings from JD Power, the works. The only minor gripe is that sometimes, outside of those huge weather events, you might wait a little longer for help. But overall, USAA totally sweeps the customer service category. Alright, policy flexibility. This is where Progressive really flexes. Tons of policy types, lots of quirky add-ons, even pet injury coverage if your furry buddy rides shotgun. There are some restrictions if you're in certain states, but overall, the menu is massive. USAA, the basics are all there and they specialize their coverage nicely for military folks, but when it comes to weird or unique add-ons, it's just not as loaded. So yeah, Progressive scores again for making it all about you. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know USAA was actually started by Army officers way back in 1922 because they couldn't get insurance from anyone else? I honestly love that origin story. On to digital experience, because who doesn't want to do everything from their phone now? Progressive's app is pretty slick, lets you file claims, manage policies. A lot of people love it, even if a few complain about the occasional glitch. USAA is no slouch either. The app is intuitive, fast, and makes digital claims super straightforward for members. Only hiccup: you can't get a quote if you're not a member, so no window shopping before you join. Bottom line. This round's basically a draw. Both apps are good, just with their own little quirks. Eligibility is a biggie. Progressive is open to pretty much everybody, like if you drive, you're in, no weird memberships. Super convenient. On the flip side, USAA is exclusive: military members, vets, their families. It's kind of a unique selling point. If you qualify, it's awesome. If you don't, sorry, that door is closed, so Progressive easily takes this one just by being available to way more people. So now, looking at the big picture: price, service, flexibility, digital experience, eligibility, you can really see where each of these insurance giants shines and where they kinda fall short. Here's my take: Progressive is basically perfect if you want options, customization, or if you're just a regular driver shopping for value. But if you're military or family and you can actually get in, USAA is hands down the winner for service and satisfaction. Both are great, but it really depends on who you are and what matters most to you. If this helped you compare insurance, make sure to subscribe for more head-to-head brand reviews. There's plenty more to break down.